Welcome to the Mix Lovelies and Friends. And on the mix, we have Maxine. Now, Maxine is talking about, these platform holders that's coming out and speaking. Now, she's saying that there's a lot of us that are on here that are, basically involved in lies. And, you know, we're not talking the truth. We're playing people that are not speaking the truth. Allegedly, that's what she says. So, she was talking about different platforms that were torn down by other people because people came on it and they spoke lies and basically they tore down those people's platform. She mentioned some big names, some big platforms that has been torn down, and she's talking about that and other things. So, guys, go ahead and go catch the video to see what Maxine has to say. And remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And for all the lovelies out there that are having a birthday today, I wish you a happy birthday. And for the year, I wish you prosperity, love, peace, joy, and happiness. Yes. And guys, please remember to hit that notification bell so when I post, you know about it. And for all my other lovelies, everyone else, I wish you a wonderful, wonderful day today.
100% truth, I will play it. And if me have no involvement in there, I will play it. But you can't play them life by your life, people. The people them where you see with their head in a dana body hole. And then up there, they don't have time for breathe. All they see a dana. Dana do wrongs. Of course, dana do wrongs. But the half of them where you see out here, they play live and they chat. A pure liar Tory. Pure liar Tory. People, when I sit down at night time and I hear them, the professor and the nuts, Lord Jesus, they lie, so till they can't lie no more. Pure liar Tory then come out with. And because me not join them in the lie, then develop one piece of hatred for me. And then over flex and then come over flex and me know them when they go tear down flex platform, the professor and the nuts. Me know. Two twos me not hear professor and the nuts no more, me not hear them. When me listen, me write it clock, then reach over natty page. Then reach over the natty page. Yes, then reach over the natty page. And I said, Natty, you go and feel the pangs of hell from the professor and the nuts. You are going to. I told you. Sometimes me looking at the comment and the video them a chat and they cuss me feel like a dog. Then cuss me, and then go on with themselves. Me say, Natty Bongo. Then they go do you the same thing. What then do flex? Because them are only out here for tear down people platform because them not have one platform for themselves. One of them ugly. If favor some gorilla, he head favor when man live when woman live a man yard and then have them head them map the floor so one of them head look. Turn bad. And then come pan there. Who that there? You know what? Me want to know fit up and call me, you know. Me want to know, me want put do not disturb on my phone when me come on. I don't have any time for the foolishness. So it look like me have to go answer it on the other phone that's not come up on the other phone them. Me say, me want the natty, you know. Me say natty run from them. No man. Natty sit down there and they play. Hey, no for the time, you know, Natty well I know the story, you know. But Natty sit down there, they play dumb. And they do like say they don't know. Knowing say professor and the nuts no know nothing. I never saw such people who do not know nothing and come on people platform and they chat one bag of shit. Now me see why they won't stay so because them and Lorraine they in the same body. Them and Lorraine in the same body, people. Lord have mercy, me never know say something could not answer. Me never know say there is so much big people in a social media what them pussy want wash and they no go and go wash them front. Then all them ass over everybody platform. Me say I will put them me black, you know. Me just go through and block some of them if you notice on my platform clean. When me see them on other people platform and me no hear them I do that they want to do no defending or nothing. Me say me this block out their ass. That's why me glad for Rebecca. Rebecca, you have a seat in a bed over me anytime. Because you not stand for the foolishness when you go over them people, them platform and see when them a tell lie. Because pure liar them, you know, the whole of them lie not speak from experience. They lie. They lie and wicked. They lie and wicked. Me know say professor and the nuts went out to no good. Me know. But they not talk till them tear down Bongo page. Bongo make me tell you something. At them same one they report your page. The same one them where you see they carry the news to you. And they make you feel like I say you and them a friend. And them same one they tear down your page. Me not tell you say Michelle and Lorraine work together. And Lorraine, Michelle will send all sort of problem Lorraine way. Me not tell you. I saw them turn in here. I saw the rest of them stay. I saw them stay, you know. Them same one they report your backside. Them same one every time your page take down and them they do it. Who you feel black Bongo, you not black. Bongo, natty Bongo. Who you feel black, you not black. Who you must black, you're not blacking. But you will learn. You see, from when me they write up the little internet tell you say you will learn at this me they talk about. You will learn. You will learn. You should not when take heed. Who from Flex start to tell it, make them come over, they can't tell the people lie and curse people and tear people down. It's like they just they had that what Lorraine they do. Pure lie on the platform. Pure lie. Who can't talk story, you know. In a joking way, you can't talk it. When they're not doing live, you can clip out bits and pieces and laugh about it and talk about it. But when you deliberately sit down and they tell you lie them, I pure laugh, me a laugh. I pure laugh, me a laugh. Me hear when they play live from 2019 and when make it look like I say this they happen. Like it just they happen. It pass and gone and done. Pass and gone and done. Dealt with. I don't make it look like I say a hot bread. Just come from half of the press. Hot bread. Look what they're gonna do to you now, Bongo. Bongo, they know say you want the area code. They are sudden and mix up people them. People are mix up people them who no listen to this. Let me put you on the speaker that you no can hear it good. Let me put you on the speaker that you no can hear it. Cause we no hear it yet. We want to hear it good. Alright? Okay, me can't bother with not talking with you. Hey, me have to go block them people, yeah, I know. Definitely have to go block them people, yeah. People them not stop call me Ross phone. You know want to no call me. Me will call you no. How much time me tell you no say me will get back to you no. Me no want to no call me man. What the fuck you no hear?
Out and get ugly.
Let me play the piece of cartoon live. Make me start it from.
Me just say I couldn't know how the blood clot or dirty machine or she run corruption.
Let me start it from now.
Me could have cuss Lorraine to Tina. Me could have take up my platform and cuss Tina. What me going to tell Tina? What me going to tell her? That's why I can't cuss me because I have even one little bar run. I can't cuss from here on the side now. I defend now. Me on the show. the nation will Lorraine come with the corruption and the lies. So when we tell her the things about she know what she do. Well, Lorraine enough to beat. Can't have nothing to beat Tina Chin, but Tina Chin don't know nothing. She don't tell no lie for her.
Only the ear good.
Put up all Ashanti saying son about him and Ashanti over there because Tina Chin and I left Lorraine. Mm-hmm. Hey, Kinlock. How you doing? Good afternoon. Are you a newcomer first time seeing your name? Caroline.
For me name it enough, you know. But me not play from it up there, so me I play it 2 years from years so.
And please go and like and comment on my TikTok page. I don't have nothing to say, just go there, go like and comment. Need some ranks, I'm getting close there. Yeah. So on a planka, on a workless like dog. We don't have no ambition, we don't have no pride, we don't have no dignity. Lorraine, take up for your pitney and put out there. Me like how Maxine do it. Maxine now say Dana, Maxine now say Lorraine. But we no die-hearted. I cause Lorraine. I cause Lorraine. I cause Tina Chin for Lorraine. Yeah. Because you can't see when I cause Tina Chin for. You have to tell me, you have to give me an idea.
Why me don't want cuss one for the other? Me not cuss none of them for the one another. And I cuss nobody out of nobody. If me see somebody do something and then do it right, I come out here and I talk about it. That's about it. I am not cussing nobody for nobody at all. Nobody. If me see Lorraine do something wrong, me fling you out here. Me see Donna do something wrong, me fling you out here. Any one of them me see do anything wrong, me fling you out here. Me not get up like I'm an idiot, they cuss the galang. Me not get up like I'm an idiot, they cuss the galang. But the rest of uno want on the platform to grow so much that uno get up and uno have uno head in a dana bati and every shit dana shit uno come out. Every shit, and all when dana no shit uno come out, come say dana shit. Me not do that, me not have no time for that. I have no time for that. Me come out and me tell you no long time so Lorraine think and dirty and nasty and she no want beard and he smell like a sin thing. See the proof come out now. See the proof come out now. Herpes they kill him, gonorrhea they kill her, all sort of sin thing they kill her. The sin thing we have wrong with her cause no normal human being no ain't supposed to smell so. No normal human being. You know hear this a Toria now. Hear the Tory what they got on here now people. You know come listen.
Me know. Tell me where one akosaka. Then take all your foot put out 13. You never see Tina doing that. When Tina put out Ashanti, Lorraine sent it to her. Lorraine gave it to her when she was stuck. When they say Ashanti has sucked pussy and Lorraine's son, and when the video with Ashanti across Dana, Lorraine sent it to her. Then time you know she look back.
But Ashanti is the one who put out 13. So it is what it is. Ashanti put out 13, you know. Who knows here when Ashanti put out 13? Yes, of course I put out 13.
Friend for Tina Chin. Because she did see girl already, you know. So she look back, big good friend for Tina Chin. And then she run into the woman. When you want to come out and say, use a blood clot at Tina, use a car. When you send when you consent, you want to send on the ammunition, the woman's side. You move your blood clot. And that's why I'm planning to rate Lorraine, rate Tina Chin.
People, I am not listening to none of them because the whole of them are all lied. From one to all of them, clear liar Tory. Pure liar Tory. Pure liar Tory. They lie from day one day they tell lie and then till they tell lie.
All of them fraud ammunition want to see Lorraine about here, so I'm sure. She offered them to Tina Chin. Them couldn't get to Marcia Kama. Marcia just say, fine, if I could just. I should have blocked me on WhatsApp and I should have looked friend. You know, so she record producer chat flex.
Yeah, you know.
When I talk about everything for me page.
Friday yesterday, the Tory he fling out, you know. Friday yesterday. Day before yesterday.
You just get it other day. Yes, she record producer. I'm telling you, I'm not doing no lie, but I'm glad you remind me.
How producer and Lorraine get for the talk? Nobody never see this coming. Where producer come from? With producer they pan pan flex page. How we man flex, how we man Lorraine figure you there in a conversation. You see how them big old woman around the place so then tan? Who no see how them big old woman around the place so then tan? And they only one thing they can say, oh, Maxine sleeping in son-in-law. Keep on saying it. You know we believe it put by yourself. Keep on saying it. They may be good man here. Bongo, you need to wrap up the towel and dash them out of your camp. Because the whole of them are news carrier lied. And me sit down and me use a very nice person. Me see me you post up me things them, you post up me things them. Some of me sitting them, you get how much thousands. What thousands what me no get? Thousands what me no get. And when me look and see you block me, and me say, how the fuck you can block me? And they use me content them. How? How can you block me and they use me content them? Me and you have a little discussion and you say you not use me sinting them no more. So me say I don't care. I really don't care. And then you go and you block me. How you producer and Professor Nuts you feel block? Go block Professor Nuts. Go block Toots and the Maytel. Toots and the Maytel what them over your platform. Block them. Cause me no know what kind of professor them is. Me no know where them professor is in me now. Had them you figure and go block. Them a news carrier and troublemaker. And they don't know one thing. When me look and see Nancy, Janet Campbell and one heap of them will live over Ashanti. How you don't have people live over Ashanti page and still then they pan for your page. They make big comment. You know, so no idiot. The enemy, your enemy cannot be my friend. War problem they go did they so. Half of them are people that reject from over Dana, then reach over Ashanti, then reach over Lorraine, then come over you. Me no want nobody so bad. Me no want nobody so bad. Me no want no professor and no nuts and no general and no degree and no this. No, are the three stooges them. Them is stooges. They no know nothing at all. And then pretend like they got big job and they got big house and they got man. Nobody will have man in their house. No sit down on social media them the kind of time there. From one page to the other. No sir. No. When me listen them, make me ears ache. Cause I'm like, can people so stupid? Can people so stupid and all them can come cuss me back again? Uno no top cuss me, tell me how my belly big. That's all uno can tell me. And me fuck down from yasso to yasso. But uno can't prove it. When me hear certain people ball out of them mouth and say they sell pussy and then used to this and that, me say me Ross, Lord Jesus. Me say no Jesus. Nothing can go so. Eh? Professor and nuts. Come here, Professor and nuts. You know, figure uno no go make one platform for yourself. And top carry down people platform. Flex when having good platform they go along. And even though Flex can't hold a beat and hold a conversation with nobody. And me have to come over there, come nice up here, and then all of my people them fly over there. You take time bad mind me people them. You take time dash dirty water upon them, say a professor and nuts. See a professor and nuts. And look there, you gone right down back to 5-5. You gone right down back to 5-5. Bongo, for you them they go see me a professor and nuts they go frig you up. Remember me tell you. And the old dirty big old girl them are over there they follow back at them. Remember me tell you that don't make no you have your platform, don't make no friend with nobody. Do what you wanna do. Number one, me no keep calling show because say a sudden tell lie. A sudden tell lie.
She record producer at chat flex.
You know, don't hear the story.
You talk to producer have nothing bad to say about flex. Make Lorraine move in blood seed.
You
People
hear?
can't get upset. Don't now make nobody fall out. They are drunk.
And mix up that start.
You are drunk. You can't stop that. You can't make producer, because producer become a producer come for dog shit, dead dog. Dead dog. You never like flex, so me forcing over this one. And not even force me, no force me. Just say, come Bishop. Because anything me say the dog them ready. So no matter.